शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कठोपनिषद अध्याय 2 वल्ली 2 मंत्र 3। ऊर्ध्वं प्राणमुन्नयति अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति मध्ये वामनमासीनं विश्वे देवा उपासते। This mantra is rather an elaboration of mantra 1 Puramekadashadvaram. Even in the mantra Puramekadashadvaram, a logic is indicated. Sanghatanam pararthatvat. The same logic is elaborated on in this mantra also. The prana and the indriyas, our sukshma sharira, the sthula sharira is sustained by the functions of the sthula sharira. The pranas are functioning in harmony. All the senses are functioning in harmony. The prana, indriyas, manas, etc., they are a sanghata, an assemblage. Manaha, prana, indriyani, they together form an assemblage known as sukshma sharira. They are functioning in harmony, and it is an indication of the presence of an Atma, a sentient being who is independent of the assemblage. Sanghatanam pararthatvam and paraprayuktatvam. The sanghata is meant for a para. a sentient being independent of the Sanghata. And Sanghata is Paraprayukta. It is driven by the sentient, the consciousness. The same Anumana is, the same logic is mentioned in this mantra also. Urdhvam pranam unnayati. Pranam yaha. Yaha Atma. The Atma. Pranam. Here prana refers to prana vritti. How many pranas are there? There is only one prana. Vritti bhedat sa panchadha. Prana is only one. But it has 5 types of vrittis. One vritti is called prana. One function of the prana is also called prana. What is it? Prano nama praggamanavan nasagrasthanavarti. You have studied in Vedanta Sara, right? Apano nama avaggamanavan paivadisthanavarti. Then Vyano nama vishwaggamanavan akhila shariravarti. Udano nama kanthasthaniya urdhvagamanavan utkramanavayuhu. Samano nama sharira madhyagata annapanadi samikaranakaraha. Right? Remember? So these are 5 vrittis, 5 functions of the same prana. So prana vritti goes upwards. It is praggamanavan. The upward movement and the forward movement in the body is prana vritti. We cannot see the prana itself. The prana itself cannot be seen. Why it cannot be seen? Because it is a part of Sukshma Sharira, made of 5 Sukshma Bhutas. Therefore, we cannot see the prana itself. But we can feel the vrittis of the prana. The functions of the prana can be sensed. When we are breathing out, it is prana vritti. When we are breathing in, it is apana vritti. Even excretion, it is also downward movement, it is apana vritti. So prana moves upwards. Who makes the prana move upwards? It is Atma. Yaha Atma. Without Atma, without the blessing of the Chaitanya, without the blessing of the consciousness, prana cannot move upwards. Urdhvam unnayati. Pranam urdhvam unnayati. It moves the prana upwards. Apanam pratyagasyati. Apanam, the apana vritti. Pratyag asyati. It throws downwards. Pratyag means downwards here. Pratyag means downwards. Asyati, throws. It makes the apana move downwards. Such an Atma is present madhye, in the middle of the body. The Atma is present. Madhye means hridaye, in the heart. Buddhau, in the mind. The Atma manifests as Chaitanya. Therefore, Madhye Asinam. He is present in the middle of the body. He manifests in the middle of the body. Means in the mind. As Chaitanya. Though the Atma is present everywhere, his manifestation in the form of consciousness is found only in Buddhi. Therefore, Madhye Asinam. Not that Atma is only here. Vamanam. Vamana. He is Vamana. Atma is Vamana. Means only this much. Thumb size. But that is not the meaning. Bhashyakara does not take Vamana as a short. Vamana means one who deserves worship. Adorable one. Vishve devaha upasate. All devatas. Devatas means indriyani. Vishve devaha. Dyotanad devaha. Deva means effulgent. In this context, Deva means indriyani. All the indriyas. Upasate. They serve him. They serve the Atma. The Indriyas serve the Atma. Meaning, the function of the Indriya is for the sake of the Atma. The Indriyas are subservient to the Atma. Indriyas are Parartha and Paraprayukta. They are meant for the Atma and they are working because of the Atma. They are impelled by the Atma. Atmanah Swarupadhigami Lingamuchyate. Atmanah Swarupadhigami. To recognize the Swarupa of the Atma. To recognize the nature of the Atma. Means to recognize the presence of the Chaitanya in the body, which is independent of the body. That is the Swarupa. Chaitanya, which is independent of the body. Lingam uchyate. A linga is being said. Linga means hetu, a reason in the logic. Just like smoke serves as a linga for fire. Smoke indicates the presence of fire. Therefore, smoke is called linga for fire. In the Anumana, for Parvato Vanhiman Dhumat. What is linga? Dhumat. Dhuma is linga. Dhumena lingena vanhim anuminoti. With the dhuma as the linga, we infer the presence of fire. Similarly, what is the linga for the Atma? The breath, the functioning of the senses, and the prana is the linga. Just like your chappal serves as linga. How many people are there inside? It can be known with at least 1 or 2 pairs will be less, because 1 or 2 people are not wearing chappals here. So +1. As many pairs of chappals +1 or +2, I don't know, 1 or 2. Is there any? 1, okay. So that is linga, to indicate the presence of Atma. Urdhvam hridayat pranam pranavrittim vayum unnayati urdhvam gamayati tatha apanam pratyag adhaha asyati क्षिपति यह इति वाक्यशेषः. Urdhvam. Urdhvam means above, upwards. And urdhvam is a dik shabda. Therefore, avadhi. Avadhi needs to be mentioned. It is vyavasthayam asanyayam. Yesterday you studied in the Vyakarana class. So you have to give a reference point. Upwards from what? That is why Bhashyakara says hridayad urdhvam. Upwards from the hridaya, from the heart. See how things are interconnected. Don't say it is only in grammar, not here. It is not so. Hridayat urdhvam. Above the heart. Pranam. Pranam is equal to pranavrittim. The word prana can have many meanings. One meaning is indriyani. Whenever prana is mentioned in plural in the Shastra, we have to understand that it means indriyan. Most often it is so. Pranaha refers to indriyas. Chakshuradayaha, it will come later on. If prana is mentioned in singular, generally it will refer to the mukhya prana, which includes all the 5. And sometimes prana singular will refer to the vritti, one of the 5. So we have to see the context and understand. So prana vrittim, here prana refers to prana vritti. And prana vritti is recognized by the movement of vayu, air. Therefore, Bhashyakara says vayum, prana vayu, the movement of air, the breath. Unnayati. Unnayati is urdhvam gamayati, leads upwards, makes it go upwards. Tatha Apanam. We have read this. Yeah. Tatha apanam pratyak adhaha asyati kshipati. Yaha iti vakyasheshaha. Tatha also. Here tatha means and also. Apanam pratyak asyati. Apanam means apanavritti. The downward movements. Pratyag. Pratyag generally means inside. But here adhaha, downwards. Here also we have to understand the avadhi as hridayat. Hridayat adhaha asyati. Asyati means kshipati, throws. Throws downwards. Means pushes downwards. Yaha iti vakyasheshaha. Yaha. Yaha we should supply. Yaha pranam urdhvam unnayati. Apanam pratyagasyati. Tam madhye hridaya pundarikakashe आसीनं बुद्धौ अभिव्यक्तविज्ञानप्रकाशं वामनं संभजनीयं विश्वे सर्वे देवाः चक्षुरादयः प्राणाः रूपादि विज्ञानं बलिम उपहरन्तः विषः इव राजानं उपासते तादर्थ्येन अनुपरतव्यापारा भवन्तीत्यर्थः। यदर्थाः यत्प्रयुक्ताश्च सर्वे वायुकरणव्यापाराः सह अन्यः सिद्धः इति वाक्यार्थः। तं मध्ये, so yaha and tam we have to supply to connect the Purvardha and Uttarardha. Purvardha is yaha and Uttarardha is tam. Madhye, madhye, in the middle of what? Hridaya pundarika akashe, sharirasya madhye, in the middle of the sharira. Hridaya pundarika akashe. Bhashyakara specifies the location. Hridaya pundarika. Hridayam eva pundarikaha. Hridaya pundarikaha. The lotus, heart lotus. Hridaya, which is lotus. And inside that there is akasha. Hridaya pundarikasya akashaha. The space inside the lotus. Heart lotus. Asinam. Present in that. And how the Atma is present inside the heart lotus. Buddhau abhivyakta vijnana prakasham. In the lotus of the heart, there is buddhi. It is the seat of the buddhi. And the Atma abhivyakti, the expression of Atma, the manifestation of Atma as consciousness, happens in the buddhi. Buddhau abhivyakta vijnana prakasham. Whose vijnana prakasha, विज्ञानम एव प्रकाशः विज्ञान प्रकाशः अभिव्यक्तः विज्ञान प्रकाशः यस्य सः अभिव्यक्त विज्ञान प्रकाशः. One whose vijnana prakasha, the consciousness, manifests in the heart, in the buddhi. Vamanam means sambhajaniyam, the adorable one who deserves service. Vanu sambhajane dhatu. So Vanu dhatu is used for deriving Vamana. Vishve devaha. Vishve is equal to sarve. Sarva, Vishwa, Ubha, Ubhaya. See, Vishve. Vishve, yesterday we studied Vishve. Vishwa is Sarva Paryaya. That is why Vishve is equal to Sarve. See how the study of Vyakarana helps in all these. Devaha. Devaha. Chakshuradayaha. Indriyani. The Indriyas. Pranaha, and Bhashyakara gives the word pranaha. See, plural. When it is in plural, generally it stands for indriyani. Upasate, they worship him, they serve him. And how do they serve him? By presenting various perceptions. By presenting various perceptions. Just like the citizen in a country bring tax and gifts to the king. They bring presents to the king, the citizen in the country. That is how they adore the king. They serve the king. Similarly, all the senses, they bring gift to the Atma, bringing various pictures. The eyes bring picture of various objects. See, I am showing you a new picture now. Eyes are telling the Atma. Ears are bringing various sound to the Atma. So they are like assistants, giving various inputs. So bringing various inputs are pictured like bringing several various gifts. That is how they are serving the Atma. Rupadi Vijnanam Balim Upaharantaha. Rupadi Vijnanam Balim. Rupadi Vijnana. The perception of Rupa, etc. Perception of color, etc. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Shabda, Sparsha, all are included. Rupadi Vijnana. The perception of Rupa, etc. is Bali, is offering. Just like the citizen bring fruits, flower, etc. Vishaha iva rajanam. Vishaha, Vish Shabda, meaning citizen. It can also mean Vaishya. It can also mean citizen. Prajaha ityarthaha. Prajaha rajanam iva. Just like the citizen serve a king, worship a king by giving him gifts. Generally, they grow, they bring a part of what they grow in their farm to the king. So, in the villages, it was a practice. If they grow something in their farm, the first harvest, a part of the first harvest, is offered to the king or some important person in the village. Similarly, all the chakshuhu, etc., offer their service to the king. Upasati, they worship him, and Bhashyakara explains what the upasate means, what the word upasate implies. Tadarthyena anuparata vyapara bhavanti ityarthaha. Tadarthyena, for the sake of that, for the sake of Atma, anuparata vyaparaha, they work incessantly. Anuparata, incessantly they work, they do vyapara, they do their functions. Anuparataha vyaparaha yesham te anuparata vyaparaha. Their vyapara is anuparata, incessant. So now Bhashyakara is writing the purport of this mantra in one sentence. Yadarthaha yatprayuktascha sarve vayukarana vyaparaha saha anyaha siddhaha iti vakyarthaha. Vakyartha, the purport of this statement, this mantra. The purport of this mantra. Yadarthaha yatprayuktascha sarve vayukarana vyaparaha. Sarve vayukarana vyaparaha. All the functions of vayu and karana. Here vayu means prana, not the regular wind, not the regular air. Even prana is called vayu. So, vayu means vayu vyaparaha. All the activities of prana, all the functions of prana, and karana vyaparaha. Karana means indriyani. The functions of all the indriyas. Yadarthaha are for whose sake. And yat prayuktascha, and are impelled by which Atma. Saha anyaha siddhaha, that kind of anyaha. Anyaha means distinct from the body and mind and senses. Distinct from karyakarana sanghata. Karyakarana sanghata vilakshanaha. Siddhaha, he is established by the logic. Iti vakyarthaha. So the logic given is Sanghatanam pararthatvat and paraprayuktatvat. Yadarthaha yat prayuktascha. The Sanghata is parartha and it is paraprayukta also. Just like a car is driven by a person, paraprayukta, and it is moving for the sake of a person. Neither it moves for itself, nor it moves by itself. Similarly, the body is a sanghata, and it functions for the sake of Atma, and it is moving by the Atma, because of the Atma. Next mantra. Asya visramsamanasya sharirasthasya dehinaha dehadvimucyamanasya kimatra parishishyate etadvaitat. The same vision is elaborated with the Vyatireka. In the absence of Atma, nothing can function. The previous one is like Anvaya. In the presence of Atma, everything is functioning. Atma Sattve Karyakarana Vyapara Sattvam. And this mantra is giving Vyatireka. Atma Abhave Karyakarana Vyapara Abhavaha. If Atma is absent, Karyakarana Vyapara also will not happen. Visramsamanasya means dehad vimucyamanasya. Sometimes mantra itself will explain what it means by a particular word. Generally, bhashya will give the meaning, but sometimes the mantra itself will explain what the mantra means by a particular word. It happens when we talk sometimes. You use a word and then you have to explain what you mean. So, visramsamanasya dehad vimucyamanasya asya sharirasthasya dehinaha. Asya sharirasthasya dehinaha. This dehi means Atma, who is present in the body, sharirastha. Dehi, dehaha asya astiti dehi. The Atma associated with the body is called dehi. And it is sharirastha. It is present in the body. Visramsamanasya is equal to dehad vimucyamanasya. Visramsamanasya literally means loosening or detaching. When it is detaching, dehad vimucyamanasya. Detaching means when it is moving out of the body, leaving the body. Dehinaha kim atra parishishyate. When the Atma detaches from the body, Atma moves out of the body. Atra kim parishishyate. What will remain here? What remains in this body? Means nothing remains. Kim iti aksheparthe. Here kam is a kim, is not a question. It is akshepa. What can remain? Kya karega? Means he cannot do anything. It is aksheparthe kim. What can you do? Means nothing can remain in the body. So when an important person leaves the place, then what will happen? Suppose the king leaves a palace. Once the king leaves the palace, everyone knows that the other people cannot live there without the king. If the king is not there, nobody will give food in the palace, nobody will give money to the palace, nobody will sustain the palace. So some people will live with the king. They will go with the king, wherever the king goes. Whereas some other people, they will just leave and go away somewhere. They will find some other job, leaving the palace. That is what happens when the Atma leaves this body. When the Atma leaves the body, some components of Karyakarana Sanghata will travel with the Atma, like prana, indriyas, etc. Whereas the sthula sharira, it cannot go with the Atma. It is too sthula to accompany the Atma. It cannot fly because it is very heavy, sthula. It will just collapse, disintegrate. So nothing remains here. Just like when the king, or in the case of honeybees, you can see this very well. The queen honeybee, if she leaves the place, all will go along with her. And some people who cannot fly with her, they will just stay there and they will die. Other honeybees, older honeybees. And all the honeycomb and all, it will just get disintegrated. The previous honeycomb and nest just collapse. So, the idea is the Karyakarana Vyapara in the body is very much dependent on the presence of Atma, the Chaitanya. So, etadvaitat, this Atma is that. Etad Brahma, Tad Brahma. Tad means the one that is mentioned in chapter 1, the one that is asked by Nachiketa. Kincha, moreover, so this is further description of the same Anumana, same logic. Asya sharirasthasya atmanaha visram samanasya avasram samanasya भ्रंशमानस्य देहिनः देहवतः विस्रंसनशब्दार्थमाः देहाद्विमुच्यमानस्येति किमत्र परिशिष्यते प्राणादिकलापे न किंचन परिशिष्यते अत्र देहे पुरस्वामिनो विद्रवणे इव पुरवासिनां यस्य आत्मनः अपगमे क्षणमात्रात् कार्यकरणकलापरूपं सर्वमिदं हतबलं विध्वस्तं भवति विनष्टं भवति सोऽन्यस्सिद्धः यस्य अस्य शरीरस्थस्य आत्मनः. The Atma, which is sharirastha, which is present in the body, which manifests in the body. Visramsamanasya is equal to avasramsamanasya, loosening. When it is loosening, is equal to bhramshamanasya, when it is detaching. Dehinaha, Atmanaha is equal to Dehina. Dehinaha is equal to Atmanaha. The Atma which is Sharirastha. Dehinaha is equal to Dehavataha, one who has a body, and who has a body, Atma. Visramsana Shabdarthamaha. Mantra itself gives the meaning of Visramsanam, detaching. Dehad vimuchyamanasya iti, when it is leaving the body. Kimatra parishishyate, atra means pranadi kalape, in the kalapa means group, assemblage of prana, etc. Prana, indriyani, manaha ityadi. Pranadi sanghata, karyakarana sanghate. Kim parishishyate, what remains, is equal to na kinchana parishishyate, nothing remains. Atra dehe, in this body. And he gives an example, Puraswaminaha vidravane iva puravasinam. Puraswaminaha vidravane iva puraswaminam. Sorry, Puraswaminaha vidravane iva puravasinam. Puraswaminaha vidravane. When the Puraswami, the king of the city, goes away, vidravane, when he runs away from the city, thinking that someone is attacking, to save himself, he runs away from the palace. Then what happens? Puravasinam. Among the Puravasis, nobody remains there. Some people will go along with the king. They will also escape along with the king. Whereas many others will leave the palace and they will go here and there, go helter-skelter. Similarly, yasya atmanaha apagami, on the leaving of which Atma, when the Atma goes away, yasya atmanaha apagame sati, when the Atma goes away, ksanamatrat, in the very same moment, instantaneously, karyakarana kalaparupam sarvamidam, idam sarvam, all this means karyakarana kalaparupam, which is an assemblage of karya and karana, sthula sharira and sukshma sharira. Sarvamidam hatabalam, everything loses its strength. And vidhvastam bhavati, it collapses. Vidhvastam bhavati means vinashtam bhavati. it is lost, destroyed. Saha anyaha siddhaha. Saha anyaha, that kind of anyaha means karyakarana vilakshanaha atma. Siddhaha, he is established by this mantra also. Through Vyatireka. If the Atma is absent, nothing remains in the body. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.